टाइम नहीं तो मैं क्या। नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप लोग? गुड 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 गुड। क्लैप यू फॉर योर सेल्फ माई डियर फ्रेंड्स. Always you are clapping for me. My request is to clap for yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you. Friends, today we are with again a motivational topic. Change. Change. Change for change. Change for don't change. Little diplomatic talk. If anything suits you, if anything you have to achieve, making certain change in your approach, better you change. It is appreciated. Don't change just sake of change, because that change may adversely affect you. So have a calculation in your hand. Most of the inexperienced personalities are addicted to change immediately without taking the call of what will happen, what will go wrong, what will not go wrong. You might have heard or rather seen that a very small practical example of change. You board in a bus and start screaming, भाई बस ऐसा चलाओ, भाई बस वैसा चलाओ, ब्रेक ऐसा मारो, टर्न ऐसा लो, ये करो वो करो. So what will repercussion? Conductor will come and say, keep quiet. Because just barging into the bus, understanding the whole psyche of the bus driving seems a little difficult. You board into, go towards, take the left, go to public side, see what is the, what public demands, or public is happy, then go to driver and request, sir, if you are putting brake, don't pick all of sudden and change it to slowly and steadily. When bumper comes, then you control the speed, don't jump on it. So these small बदलाव जो आप लाना चाहते हैं, वो आप पहले एक स्टडी करें. स्मॉल स्टडी, आप 1 minute and 2 minutes understand the hidden data from the people who are already boarded into, and if it is adversely affected, then go and appeal to driver that do it like, change this way, change from this to this. May driver may also listen you, conductor may also in positive mood, and public also may be in positive mood. See, very small changes is illustration I put it to you. But other part of the change is that आपने ग्रीन शर्ट पहना घर पे, your wife comes and says that change this. You will say, why have you change it? She will say, change it because I don't like. You will not change it. But after talking all these things, change is lesser relative to these things, but much more related to the habit. Change is much more connected to habit. All bad habits should be changed. And all good habits to be acquired. Chewing the pan masala. No doubt it is bad and adversely affects to your life. But if it is somebody is said because he or she wants to say, you may ignore it. But if somebody came and he taken you in confidence and said, यार बॉस इसके खाने से ऐसा होता है, उसको खाने से ऐसे होते हैं, and lot many good things are there to eat, why you are not preparing those things instead of this thing? Then you slowly and steadily accept the invitation of the change and you gets ready to change it. So change should be conveyed in very diplomatic, deep diplomatic way. That person concerned should not get negatively, and he should or she should accept it. Crying, creeping, shouting, firing is not good habit. Though you know that it leads high BP, it leads pain, ache, but you will do it because somebody is saying to change, so you will not, because generally change is not acceptable by any person. But if it is in interest of your growth, then there should be diplomat personality who should convey the plus and minus and give the good study that if you change this habit, then you can win this situation. You can have a very healthy health. And unfortunately, it is the hopefully law of the nature that bad habits are very much with you. They will never leave you. They will like this kind of the approaches. And good habits are like this in simple manner. The good habit you don't accept, don't acquire. It's the nature of law. But bad habit, very simple, which happens to many more people. Please accept my example in positive manner. People are addicted to drink. They know their liver will damage. They know that one fine morning I may disappear from this earth, leaving my family in trouble. Knowing all these facts, they will not change. But if you take in confidence and give some alternate medicine, it may work out. So change is very sharp. One need to apply the diplomatic method, understanding his if and buts, and then working how it can be eliminated from him, and a new change can be seen. Come on the workplace. You are having a bad habit of shouting. Explain him why you are burning your energy, why you are getting tensed, what you are going to earn out of this firing and hiring system, shouting. People may not listen you. अरे यार ये तो मेरी आदत है, यही तो मेरा टाइगरनेस है, इसी से तो लोग डरते हैं. और वही आप कहते हैं छोड़ दीजिए, चेंज योर हैबिट, चेंज, why I should change, why I should listen you, I will not change. But with some eminent personality goes and toots him that boss, because of this you are losing your health, soundness to mind, blood pressure, systolic system is getting adversely affected, and you are creating a negative vibration energy in your body. Don't do it. Most likely person will accept and will change. Now coming back, so many examples can be quoted. It depends on individual to individual what kind of the examples are quoted. Only punchline is that change for betterment. Don't change sake of saying. Don't change because somebody is dictating you. But definitely any change most probably is for the benefit of individual. Take a call from now onwards. Pay your attention to change and invite the change in your life, healthy change, good change, a change which can give you satisfaction, pleasure. At least for these things you change. Thank you very much. If you can change and enjoy the benefit of change, it will be my remuneration. And trust me, I will be the happiest person to see you after this. Thank you very much.